This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make video calls on your Android phone or tablet. So this is the application Google Meet. Now you might already have it on your phone or device. I think it comes pre-installed on most devices. It's just called Meet right here. Otherwise, go to the Google Play Store and then just go to search down here and just type in Meet and go ahead and get this. Now this is going to be linked to your Google account. So if you have contacts on your Google account, they should display under here. Now we can just go to search contacts, or we can go to new right here and it'll open up a contacts list for you. So I can go to this, however it's going to show my phone number and stuff. So if I go to one of these now, you can see I have some options under here. It says group call, or I can create a link and stuff like that. So I have all these different options, or I can just select a person and I can try calling them. Now they're going to need this application on their device for them to actually pick it up. So you might have to send them a text message or something like that to tell them to download the application. But that's how you can go ahead and just try doing video calls right here. Otherwise, I just use Facebook Messenger. That's the one I just use most of the time. So just go to Google Play Store and type in Messenger. And if you have that person on Facebook, you should be able to talk to them. So if they have it installed on their computer or device, so you can see I can just update this, but get Facebook, the Facebook Messenger right here, and then you should be able to do video calls through there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.